In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add a shooting, basically adding shooting, so basically your gun will be able to shoot bullets, and I'll show you how to do the damage and everything like that. You should already have this variable right here, damage. That should always be there. And instead of using speed, this speed variable, just delete it. We're gonna make a fire rate variable. So call it local fire rate equals to. So the lower the fire rate, the faster it'll shoot, and the higher, the slower it'll shoot. So let's do 0.855. So now what you're gonna want to do is here is you see this mouse connection thing. You're gonna want to do mouse connection is equal to mouse. So this mouse variable right here dot button one down connect function. So this will detect if the mouse is down, and if it is, then you should have another variable called local mouse down equals false. So the mouse down is equal to true while mouse down do. Or you can also say it is equals true. This will make it a little bit better to understand. Then what you're going to want to do is say shoot event colon fire server. Wait, I forgot something, guys. I actually forgot a lot of things. So you got to make sure that you have the remote event. I forgot to tell you that, guys. You're going to want to have a variable. You're going to want to have a remote event called shoot event. And then inside of here, create a new variable called shoot event. Call it dot, and then local shoot event colon wait for child shoot event like this. And then say shoot event colon fire server, and say it has to be tool dot, and we'll actually reference it right now. So you're gonna want to have a part called the muzzle. So this will be the muzzle point. So duplicate the handle, call it the muzzle. We're not gonna put. This is not where we're gonna put the sounds in. We can put it inside of the. Well, you could put it inside of the handle or the muzzle point. I'm actually gonna put it inside of the muzzle because that just makes sense. So we're gonna have to have a muzzle part. So make sure it's like this, but then you're gonna want to have it really down. Or it doesn't have to be too down. It can be like this, like that. No, like this. Okay, so we're gonna have it like that. So, so now what you're gonna want to do is drag it back into starter pack. Go back into your local script, and then go here, fire server tool dot muzzle dot position tool dot. Well, you don't really have to have the orientation. That's not really needed. You just gotta have mouse dot hit dot p. And then you need to have the damage, so damage. So that's all you have to do. Those three things. Those are needed. But if you want to, you can add tool.muzzle.orientation, but that's not really needed. So just have those three things. So now what you're gonna want to do is mouse.button one up, connect function, and right here under here, just say wait, fire rate. And then just right here, mouse down is equal to false. There we go. So that's that down. This whole function right here. So if you didn't write it all down, here's the code. Okay, so now so you can pause the video. You could have paused the video. So yeah, here's the code. You can pause the video right now. Okay, so now what we're gonna do here is say mouse connection colon disconnect, and yeah, that's all you have to do here. So now what you're gonna want to do is create a new script. You're gonna want to call it create. Then say then go here into the local script. Copy these two lines, paste it into the create script, and just make sure you have just do shoot event, because that's just okay, but because you don't need to use wait for child on the server. So yeah, so shoot event dot on server event colon connect function player position mouse the pose 2, or you can do mouse, but I'm gonna do pose 2, and we're gonna do damage. Then all you have to do is say local bullet. So we're gonna create a new bullet, instance.new, and we're gonna create a new part. So you can go and customize this. So I'm gonna do bullet.name. This is needed. So the two variables that you'll need is the three variables you'll need. I'm sorry. So you need this variable. So just, or you don't really need it too much, but it will just name a bullet here, and then say bullet.parent equals game.workspace. This is needed. And then say bullet dot it's bullet dot can collide equals false. And then do bullet dot, and then here you can customize it. Bullet dot shape equals enum dot part type dot ball. Bullet dot, and let's do just a normal block. Bullet dot, and we'll do size equals vector3 dot new 0 comma, yeah, we're just gonna do this, and say bullet dot, and we'll do brick color equals brick color dot new black. And then what we're gonna do is I think do the bullet dot touch event. So bullet dot touch connect function other part. Local hum equals other part dot parent colon find for child humanoid, and then say if hum, this is an important part, and hum dot parent dot name doesn't equal to the player dot name, then hum colon take damage. Then do under here, say bullet. So this will move the bullet. So bullet dot C frame equals C frame dot new, and we'll do position 2, and say bullet dot, and we'll do velocity is equal to bullet dot C frame dot look vector multiplied by, and then you can do a number. I'm gonna do like 250. Or you can do something like 350 or 450, but we'll actually do just 150 actually for now. So now what we're gonna do is say game colon get service debris. So this will destroy the bullet. Connect add item bullet 3. So this will remove the bullet after 3 seconds. So I think this should work. I think this should work already. So, it looks like that we got an error. So, it looks like it's because that the muzzle has fell. So, you're going to want to go and drag it into the workspace, and click on, select the muzzle part, and select the handle part. So, let's just select both of them. So make sure you select both of them, and you're gonna want to press model and press create weld. So now this won't give it an error, because what happened is that the muzzle part has fell already. So as you see here, it works. It works, and let's test the damage. I already placed a dummy over there. Let me just yeah, as you see here, that it did the damage. And pretty much there's no problem that we need to fix. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of the shooting part. Also, if you hate that like studs, you can go here and under right here and say bullet.material equals enum.material and we can do smooth plastic. So yeah, this will just make it like smooth plastic. So yeah, as you see here, it makes it look better. So I guess that's the end of the tutorial. So yeah, thanks for watching. And I also added this house because what was happening before is sometimes whenever you have the gun, sometimes it only spawns from right here or random position in the spawn area. But we don't want that. We want to have it. We wanted to have it everywhere, even inside a building. So let's say you wanted to shoot in a building, it'll work. So as you see here, it works. It's shooting and it works. And if you damage it, you see, it kills the humanoid. But it looks like that we might want to make this damage a little bit lower. So I'm going to make it like 25. So let's test this. Oh, I already killed it. Let me test that again. Oh, okay. It kills it instantly anyway. So, I guess that's fine. So, I'll just keep it as an ID. So yeah, that's the end of the tutorial. I'll see you in part 3. I know that ending was kind of long though. Bye.